Hello, Classroom 3. Today we are doing May 14th. ELA, Social and Emotional. You're going to do the game 107, a book about me. Again, this is a collage cut out of pictures of favorite things of for your child's book. Label each page with titles, example, favorite toys, fruit, vegetables, places to go, such as the park, backyard, etc. So it's still a collage book, the book about me, and just having the child draw, or you could cut out pictures of favorite places or food or vegetables that your child like. So that is for ELA, social and emotional. And for math, you just have your child count how many items, their favorite toys, fruits, vegetable, places to go, the park such as backyard. So you just have the child count how many items they have of their favorite places. And for science and social study, it's the weather. The same activity. If you don't have a printer or materials to cut out the activity, you could have the child grab, or you could ask the child like what the child might wear when it's sunny, when it's raining, and have them look out the window or go outside and like tell them what do they think the weather is like. Now for physical activity, I probably would send this in the email, but it's right here. You go to this YouTube, you type it as is, and have them do yoga. It's in English and Spanish, and this is the link to go on, and I'm also going to provide it in the email, and that's going to be the physical activity. So that's all for today. You really don't, they don't have activity for me on YouTube today because this is more like hands-on for you guys to do with them. But the yoga one, I'm going to provide the link on the email so you could just click on it, and that's it. I'm trying to see. So yeah, book about me for ELA. Cutting pictures of your child's favorite things. So yeah, remember this one last. And you could also go, I'm sorry, if you want to do have the child listen to a story, go back to the story I Like Me that I posted on YouTube. You can have the child re-listen to that story. And that's all for today. Hope you guys have a great day. And again, please send pictures or videos of your child doing the activity. As I would love to see the collage to see what are some of the your child favorite things. So please send pictures and label them. Thank you.